This is Professor Deref Seitz, inverse normal distribution. This video shows how to calculate an inverse normal value using Microsoft Excel. The idea here is if you have a normal distribution, you have to enter into the blue cells here the mean of it, mu, and the standard deviation, sigma. This spreadsheet defaults to 0 and 1 for standard normal, but you can use any mean and any standard deviation. It's not restricted to standard normal. And then you enter a probability, which is equivalent to an area under the normal curve. And what you're looking for is the value of a point such that to the left of that point, the probability of a value in that interval to the left of that point is this probability, which is equivalent to the area under the curve over that interval is equal to this probability. So in this case, we're looking for a 90% probability, and the value that's calculated here is this 1.28 value. The formula uses the norm inverse function provided by Microsoft Excel, and it takes B1 and B2 and B3, these three parameters, in order to do that calculation. Let's take another example. Let's change this to a normal distribution with a mean of 50, a standard deviation of 10, and we'll look for a probability of 25%. The value that corresponds with that probability is 43.26 approximately. That is to the left of the mean, as would be expected here, to get a 25% probability, because we know the mean is at the 50% area location in a normal distribution.